Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel, and today I'm making elderberry syrup, and I'll show you what you can do with the elderberries once you're done with them. You'll see this elderberry syrup pop up in my extreme flu remedy. Now, you do need to be careful as the elderberries and the stems are poisonous, so pick as much of the stems off as possible and cook the elderberries till they're soft. Since this is my first time, I've cooked them for at least 45 minutes. Now that we've made sure that the elderberries are now edible, we can now make the syrup. The amount of elderberries that you have is the same amount of sugar that you use. Add enough water to cover the elderberries and bring it to the boil. Use the frozen plate trick and remember, if it's too thick then add extra water, and if it's too thin then let it simmer a while longer. The elderberries are worth the extra cooking time, as they are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that boost your immune system. They help with inflammation, lessen stress, and help protect your heart, as well as fight off cold and flu symptoms. So from the mouth of babes,
Come on, don't be chicken.
now it's time for the bonus. I'm not throwing away the elderberries. I'm going to put them in vodka and some sloe gin I have left, and I'm going to infuse them with the elderberries. Strain the elderberries and get as much syrup out as possible. I'm now going to divide the elderberries into the alcohols. I'll then store the bottles in a dark cupboard for a few months, so keep an eye out to see the results. I'm going to use the elderberry syrup in my extreme flu remedy, but you could use it as an excellent substitute for grenadine syrup. Have fun making your syrups, and I'll see you in the following video. Bye!